Hello, it's me again. Today I'd like to talk about the present tense with am, is, are. And we use the verbs am, is, are with the following pronouns. Am with I, like I am. Is goes with he, she, it. Then we say he is, she is, it is. And the last one, that's are. We use it with we are, you are, they are. Good. Now I've got some tasks for you. Let's start with the first one. Am. Which pronoun do you use with am? I am. Then we have are. Are goes with you are, with we are, and with they are. Good. And the last one, that's is, like he is, she is, it is. Good. Now, another thing,